Welcome to a series of machine learning. In this tutorial, we will be discuss about the three most important libraries of the machine learning. First is the pandas. Pandas. Panda is the most popular Python library that is used for the data analysis. It provides highly optimized performance with the backend source code, and its data frame allowed to store and manipulate tabular data in a row. Next is the NumPy. NumPy. NumPy is the Python library used for the working with the arrays. NumPy stands for the numerical Python. And next is the Matplotlib. Matplotlib. So Matplotlib is used for the plotting the graph according to the data. So we have to import all these library. Import pandas as pd. Import numpy as np, and import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. So select these and control press enter. It's some mistake here, sorry for the spelling. Leave. So select and press control and enter to execute. So you could hear the library is executed here. Okay, thank you.